Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 6 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now, without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 2582, pass the pillow. Okay, so in this problem there are n people standing in a line labeled from 1 to n. Okay, so here see in this example n is equal to 4. Okay, so let's stand 4 people. So this is first, this is second one, okay, this is third one, and this is fourth one, right? And they are standing in a line. Okay, so let's say this is a line. Okay, after 1 there is 2, after 2 there is 3, and after 3 there is 4. The first person in the line is holding a pillow initially. Okay, so initially my pillow is with this person. Okay, so here I'm writing P. Every second the person holding the pillow passes it to the next person standing in the line. Okay, so 1 is going to pass the pillow to 2, 2 is going to pass the pillow to 3, and 3 is going to pass the pillow to 4. Okay, once the pillow reaches the end of line, okay, so once the pillow reaches at this position, end of line, the direction changes. Okay, and the people continue passing the pillow in the opposite direction. Okay, so first direction is like this: 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and after that direction is going to reverse. Then we are going to pass the pillow from 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, and again it reaches the end of line. So again we are going to change the direction. Okay, so this is the simple meaning of this one. Okay, for example, once the pillow reaches the end person, they pass it to the n-1th person, and then to n-2th person, and so on. We have given two positive integers n, and time is equal to 5, right? And time, we have to return the index of person holding the pillow after the time seconds. Okay, see in this example n is equal to 4, so there are 4 people standing in the line, and time is equal to 5. Okay, so initially pillow is with this person, right? So at first second, pillow is going to pass from 1 to 2. Okay, this is for first second. For second, pillow is going to be passed from 2 to 3. Okay, for third second, pillow is going to be passed from 3 to 4. For fourth second, pillow is going to pass from 4 to 3. And for fifth second, pillow is going to pass from 3 to 2. Okay, fifth second. So time is 5, right? So in the end, my pillow is with this person, right? 2. So I am going to return this 2 as my output. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. So this is very easy problem, right? So how I'm going to solve this problem? Okay, so see, whenever I am moving in this direction, I am going to treat my direction as positive 1. Okay, because I am adding 1 every time now. In 1 I am adding 1, then it becomes 2. In 2 I am adding 1, then it becomes 3. In 3 when I am adding 1, then it becomes 4. Okay, so whenever I am moving from left to right, I am treating my direction as positive 1. Whenever I am going to move from right to left, I am going to treat my direction as -1. See, 4 plus -1 is equal to 3. 3 plus -1 is equal to 2. Okay, so when I'm going to change the direction, so I am only going to change my direction whenever my pillow is with this person, or my pillow is with this person, first person. Okay, only in that case I am going to change the direction. Okay, so now let's see. I'm going to write the code. Okay, so see here. So first we have to initialize the starting position of the pillow now. So a pillow is with first person, so here I am creating one variable int pillow, and here I am initializing it with 1. Okay, initially pillow is with first people. Okay, and initialize the direction of passing. Okay, so 1 for forward and -1 for backward. Okay, so initially I am going to move my pillow from left to right now in positive direction. So here I am going to create a int direction variable and assign it as value of 1. Okay, this is done. Now we have to run the loop for each unit of time. Okay, so for int I is equal to 0, I is less than my time, and I plus plus here. Okay, so now we have to update the pillow position based on the current direction, right? So I am going to write my pillow as pillow is equal to pillow plus direction. Okay, so I am moving in positive direction right now. So now my pillow moves to from 1, it is going to move to 2, okay, and so on. So but here we have to check if if the pillow reaches the first or last person. Okay, then in that case what we need to do, we have to reverse the direction, right? If pillow is with the last person, or if the pillow is with the first person, then just change the direction, right? So here I am going to write direction is equal to minus of direction. Okay, this is done, and in the end we have to just return the pillow. That's it. Okay, so I think we have solved this problem in Leetcode weekly contest as well, right? The same problem, I think, uh, 2-3 weeks back, similar type of problem comes in Leetcode weekly contest, right? So now let's run it. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So time complexity for this problem is going to be of time. Okay, so of time. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.